Hey there, welcome back on my YouTube channel, Parth Doshi Learning by Doing. So now you will be seeing this new logo and the new background in all the videos. So in this video, we are going to see different types of process based on user interaction or user interface. So if a user interface is involved, like maybe selectors or maybe doing web automation, desktop automation, anything as such, then what is the process type? And if not, then what is the process type? So we are going to see different types of processes based on user interface. Now, we are not going to see this through any workflow or any building any bot, but we are going to see this through documentation and we are going to learn through it. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay. So now if you go to docs.uipath.com and in that if you go to orchestrator and you go to about jobs, then if you scroll down, you will be seeing the section of process types. Now, as you can see, there are two types of process according to the user interface requirements, right? We can see over here. The first one is the background process and the second one, which requires user interface. Now, when can we run multiple background processes? Can we run multiple require user interface processes or not? So by reading this documentation, we'll get a clear understanding of that. Now, as we can see, background process does not require a user interface nor a user intervention to get executed. That means it is completely unattended. There is no user, as you can see, user intervention. That is the main reason or main idea of unattended automation and user interface. For this reason, you can execute multiple such jobs in unattended mode on the same user simultaneously. So if there is a single user in the orchestrator, we can execute multiple background processes for that particular user. Each execution requires an unattended slash non-production license. So that is the requirement. Background process run in session 0 when started in attended mode. So background process run in session 0 when started in unattended mode. That means they do not require any desktop access, any application access, any website access or anything as such, because they are running in background. This can be like some Excel automation being performed, some email automation being performed, because when while doing email automation or Excel automation, we actually don't go and press some button or select some button. The mail is directly sent through the credentials that we enter. And the second one requires user interface, as the execution needs the UI to be generated on the process containing interactive activities such as click. You can only execute one such process on a user at time. So yeah, like this comes as an attended automation, you can say. Not attended automation, but this requires user interface, so multiple jobs cannot be executed for the same user that require the user interface. So suppose I want to open Flipkart, I want to click on some buttons, I want to enter the credentials, then you cannot execute two multiple process, which one will open the Flipkart and the other will open the Amazon. So that is not possible, or maybe some desktop application or anything as such. So these are the two different process types according to the user interface requirements. So I will be adding the link as well in the description. So I hope you got a clear understanding of different process types and how the users are allocated and jobs are executed in the orchestrator as well. And thank you for watching the complete video. Please do like the video if you gained some knowledge, and subscribe channel to stay updated to all the new videos that I upload. Thank you.